Hi Pisceans and Cancerians, welcome to my channel. It's Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. So we'll give the date if it is a call, or else let's start with your reading. Timeless, okay? Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS, Seychelles Running. And I do go live there as well at times. If you are unable to catch up, you need to follow there though. But if you're unable to catch up, you can watch them on IGTV. Those are all free, okay? So let's start here. I'm sending you love all the way from India. Let's start. I'm getting the word plow, okay? You are using tools, you're working very hard, you are doing this plow, okay? You are creating that base for you, the foundation, may it be work, may it be love related, relationship related, and something is going to happen fast because you're trying to capture every area in order to have a framing so that it gives you long-term investment. You have a bigger picture, bigger plan, whatever you are doing. If it is connected with love matter, it's going to be fast, it's going to be a turn, something of like a turnover, emotion-wise as well. Knight of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, and some of you are trying to hold on to, this may be with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, but this is Page of Swords energy. For some of you, there's a curiosity, there's connectivity, there's a learning process, there's something that you're emotionally connected very well, and you are just working hard. Eight of Pentacles, you're putting your energy to something here, making big here. You are plowing, kind of, if that makes sense for you. It is about you are having frames, you are having those kind of like furrows, if that makes sense. It's something that you are creating so that you know that what you are doing. You know, it's not everywhere, it's not spreading everywhere, it's not puzzled, it's not a mess, rather it is, that this is where I need to contain myself. So for many of you, it may be relationship, it may be work. A lot of Pentacles here. Let's see what's your overall energy. Strength, you're building up, you're trying to control your own aura here. This may be a Leo in your chart or somewhere in someone's chart. It is also the bond possible. This is like you're controlling something, not in a bad way. It is something that you're controlling so that you know that you are being victorious, you know that you can contain yourself, you're containing something. I see the Sun. Maybe it is about your work growth, birth, something that you're learning, something that you're feeling very good and proud of. This may be something that you're feeling independent and free, okay? Work wise, finance wise, stabilizing yourself or your relationships anyhow. This is something that you don't have impression of that I am juggling, I'm fixed somewhere. You're not, you're going with the flow. For many of you, this is, okay? This may be about deciding, making wise decisions, work, controlling that, and bonding with someone as well. The Lovers may be a Gemini here. Yeah, this may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well. This may be specific here, Aquarius. For some of you, very specific Aquarius. There's a message that you might end up sending this person, or you might receive. There's certain kind of reaction to something as well, I see. It's like you're trying to control, but you know that they control you. Not in a bad way, it's just that emotions, okay? We're not talking about any games and everything, but it's something that you're working on yourself. I'm telling you that, yeah. You're working on yourself. This is about something that you are holding in. It's time to plow. It's time to take gains of this. 10 of Pentacles, your work is in progress. It's good. Strengthening your situation, it's all about stabilization. It's about your own home. You want to make big here. This is also about family, okay? This is also about possible taking property, okay? And that's why you're saving a lot, you're controlling a lot yourself, or doing nothing like, not exaggerating on things here, I see. But with all this, something is in process. May it be love, may it be certain, specific relationship from your family, however it goes, but there is something that you're trying to control and put up with balance here, and taking right tools and not messing with that, but in process, like, this is what I want, this is what I'm going to do. Maybe you'll get something. Maybe this is about payment. This may be about big project, possible big influential people as well. This is where you're going to control your scenario. It's about, this is my frame, I want to be in here. This is what I love. This is the person I love. I want to be with this person. So maybe it's about family as well. Maybe, yeah, love as well. We're going to see. These are general readings, goes that way. Okay. This is you, Queen of Cups, though Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean, but this is for Cancerians and Pisceans. And this is Nine of Swords. Something is troubling you in your now. It's maybe about how my plan will go. You're also looking at your something big that you want to achieve, making big or something. Maybe it is about emotions as well. Something that is puzzling you. Moon. The moon is coming reversed here. Something that you need to deal. You want to deal or you need to deal. Because this is what you don't see, the clarity, or you don't see the other side of the situation, whatever you are now in. Maybe this is about Two of Pentacles. Your profession is good, but your personal life or something that you're keeping at bay or you're keeping them at back burner, it is still there. It is here. You have to deal with this because there is something duality I see, or something that you hardly notice right now. The change that might be coming in your relationship possible, or something here. Okay, you know that you feel, but you're not out with those words. Maybe that's why you're stressed. This is like full day, pack day. Full day, pack day. You're busy, 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 busy. But as the night approaches, it's like something that worries you. It's maybe we are talking about love matter. Something that worries you. There might be a Piscean. Some of you Pisceans going through with this phase. Yeah, trying to balance out yourself as well. I mean, this is something that you're fine with, but you're not totally fine with. Something that you are keeping inside and exactly not letting it out. If this is with the person, okay? It's like a self-control is here. A lot of self-control I see. Okay, we'll see. It's like you follow up, but this is also something that you're fighting your own emotions. Nine of Wands, you are figuring out and you're getting wounded. You fall, but then you get up and then you walk. But also you're having certain doubts about your emotions, what I should do, because it is running deep, but you're not letting them out. It is running deep, and unless and until you don't believe that, this may be your own dreams and desires, something connected that gives you that puzzle. If it is all about work, but if it is about this person, there is this person who is important to you, the Empress. It may be specific female energy though. They are with you, they're not with you, but you have that thought, like it's in frame. I know, this is my Ten of Pentacles energy. But there is something that's still not out. With the Nine of Wands energy, you're having a lot of doubts, making a move. But you're not giving up on something as well. But it's still not out. I don't see that. Like a total explanation, like whatever it is. Yeah. You're figuring out, you're having those challenges, you're not discussing, but you're not giving up. Five of Wands is your self area of challenges to figure out what is that I feel. Oh my god, this card again. What is that I feel? Two of Cups, you miss this person, you want this reunion, but you're trying to figure out, you have your own challenges right now, whether it's of doubt or whatever. Maybe you are in disagreement with this person, but you love them. Whether you are with this person right now, physically or not, this is Two of Cups, this is what you desire. This is in your inner subconscious. With the moon reversed, this is what you really want. Okay? This is what you really want. And this person is not with you right now. It doesn't make sense. It came like this position, but it may be an Aquarius. It's something which is destined, and this person balances you out, and this person is maybe right now in disagreement with you. No more up with the challenge here, but they balances you out. So listen to me. This is where you touch each other's life. It is fated. Okay, it is something that is the whole stars, like the sky full of stars. It is about the duality that you are stuck in. You need to see other things as well. They give you that water, they give you that emotion, this person, and you are thinking about reuniting with this person or just uniting with this person if your situation is that way. Look, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. There may be an Aquarius particular because of the star. Okay. There may be someone from a fame, like they're known in their work, speciality I see, or maybe you. Page of Pentacles, you people are at stop. But with this, I feel like someone's going to end up messaging. I feel like if this is your energy, if it's not Taurus or Capricorn, it's like taking out time and end up messaging. This is what you hold, or stopping yourself. But I feel with the reverse, it's going to be out and about, something, okay? No more linger on kind of energy. Page of Swords energy. It's going to be out and about. I feel that energy, the Lovers. Okay, it's about Gemini as well, but with the Lovers going to be choice making. It's about in between work and communication, figuring out, because you are unable to talk, unable to clear out that stuff. I feel with the reverse energy, it's like out and about, sending the message, no more, you know, having that patience of like, or keeping things to self. I feel that way. Ten of Swords, out and about. Ten of Swords, you're going to clear out something. Okay, that was recording time 11:11. It's out and about with your person. Ten of Swords is about ending whatever is accumulating, whatever is sour. Finally letting things out. Finally having the movement. Whatever kind of movement, whether it is a closure or I feel like it's coming around the corner. Out and about. Okay, with Ace of Swords energy, it's like clarification. It's like initiating conversation with this person. And it is Six of Cups energy. Makes sense. Resurgence. End up communicating, having self-doubts, and why, but having self-doubts on this, that like it's going to work or not. Knight of Wands energy. I feel someone who is stopping their speed or passion, trying to cover that in one frame, but actually it is coming. It's going to be the talk. It's going to be someone who's getting, I feel like, out of, how to say, the passion is out of control. I feel that way, and it's going to be out and about. It's going to be the talk of the town kind of energy. If people are known or in your special field, we'll see. However it is, whatever it is, wherever your frame is, no matter how long you stop yourself, it's going to be out. It's with this person. You want to reunite with them? Makes sense. Trust. Maybe having doubts that whether they'll trust or not, but this situation is calling for you to have faith. You belong to this. Okay, so if you belong to this, you need to be out and about with your emotions. Honeymoon, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. For me, it's kind of reunion, coming together kind of energy. Chemistry. You people have hard chemistry here, even if it's written just chemistry. It's like unbelievable. It's like something that you want to give to this person, possible. It's not materialistic, but it's like some promise. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Okay, you want to trust this process. You should. That this bond is strong. We're talking about love matters then. Yeah, romantic feelings. Yeah. Clear. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. You love this person. You want to be with this person. With the deception, someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship, which makes sense here because you people enjoy each other's company, but deception is like not accepting that it is love. Okay, for many of you, it is about not accepting that this is romantic feeling. So maybe you're not accepting. What's in your future? You have Coffin, Nine of Pentacles. I feel though, it's like wake up call. I don't know what it is, what's written in the booklet or something. I go with the fact that there's going to be sunshine on something that is dead. That was supposed to be RIP, rest in peace, but it's going to be reverse of that, return if possible. And maybe you're going to ask this person out. Or goes that way. Something that was at peace. Someone over here is single. You're also there also. If that makes sense for some cases. Waking them up, removing their bed sheet, telling them that, come on, wake up. Okay? I know. You people are getting awakened. Oh my God, I was in deception of myself. Rider, Nine of Cups. Here they are. But here you are, making a move in each other's life. There's a movement. Number 8. Number 30. Lilies. So you figured out that am I the frog and I want to be the prince of this person? like princess, or vice versa. Okay, or your prince is coming. It's kind of like let's kiss and become couple. So you have King of Swords energy, lilies, finding peace and figuring out the growth and just jumping around and hopping. This is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy again. It's love, okay? I heard the word better move. There's going to be a better move in your life, which is good. Yes. Okay. With the mice, you need to clear out something, declutter your life first. I feel like you are figuring out ways to how to collect and how to fill up your home or your place, and how to be so clear about what do you want. You don't want grains around. So with the mice, you are basically working on your problems here. And with the Seven of Wands energy, whatever is here, defenses up, you're figuring that out because you have this. Or maybe someone else's feelings are like defenses up. But there is dog, 10 of Cups energy. There is loyalty in the connection. Whether you live far, whether you're not talking, there is someone who is not going anywhere. It's 10 of Cups. So coming together, it's a bond. With the lady, there might be, for some cases, specific lady here, possible, not necessary, but with Ace of Swords energy, there is someone. You're going to initiate communication, such clarification. And there might be some defenses up problems or some miscommunication, or why the defenses are up, or why this on and off situation is here. You're going to clear that stuff out with this person. No, there's so many. First thing is, moon is coming again, look. But I'm not going to take it. No. There are so many, sorry. Okay, now you have. You have number 25 and the ring, Ace of Wands energy. It's coming reverse, but I'm going to give you message anyhow. This is about commitment problem. Someone is going to clear out this commitment. Possibly you have a phobia, commitment phobia, or nervousness, or maybe this person is going through that. Whatever it is, this is about magical ring, magical commitment, magical thing that is going to be cleared out when defenses are up. Someone is going to make someone ready, but it's going to be, time taking. But the ring is here. This is what they want. If you're figuring out what do they want, or maybe the one you're dealing, then what do you want? Stars, 6 of Cups, resurgence. It's an Aquarius as well. It's aligned. It's a future call. It's you, them, together. It's beautiful. I don't see any troubles if you just accept the fact that this is love. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.